treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Cadillac Escalade. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, power front seats, blind spot sensor, and much more. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.